Hello, students of Earth and Fire. It's good to be, I guess not with you, but talking at you today. Hey, I got some good news. Today is going to be a really easy day for my class. It is only making up assignments if you missed some assignments. That's right. So if you've done every single assignment this week, you do not have any work for English and history today. That's the good news. The good news for those of you who got a little behind, you don't have any extra work today. I'm just giving you the day to get caught up. And that is because many of us have been confused when it comes to where to write in your COVID journal. I thought this was simple. It turns out that it's not so simple, and I take responsibility for that. That's not on you. That's on me not communicating clearly enough. So one more time, I'm going to explain this. When you go to Google Classroom, it usually takes you here, which is called the stream. That's where you can see all of the assignments. You can see what's due today, but this is confusing based on how I'm assigning assignments now. So I need every one of you to go to classwork every single day, and in classwork you will find your day under a topic. So right now it says Thursday, May 14th. Tomorrow there are going to be three things there. There's going to be COVID journal, which has all of your individual COVID journals. It's going to have my example COVID journal, and it's going to have this COVID journal list, COVID journal entries list. Now, many of you have not completed all of your entries so far. So I'm giving you today to make those up, okay? If you've done every single one, like I said, you don't have to do anything. But a question that I've got a lot is, Mr. Limon, where am I writing in my COVID journal? Let me show you. Okay, so if I click COVID journal, I'm going to put this in your assignments every single day. For the month of May, we're writing something every single day. Today, 10 of you have hit turn in, which is good. You do not need to hit turn in because you only need to hit it at the end of the week. But I appreciate those of you who do. That way I know that you're doing it. So, COVID journal, if I actually click the assignment here, under the instructions, that's where you're going to find the prompt every single day. Okay? So that's important to read, and then you just click on COVID journal. It will automatically open yours. I've given you access to it so you can edit it all the time because I want you writing in this every single day. There's going to be a different prompt every single day, and so I expect you to write a paragraph every single day. Okay? So where are you writing? You are writing in your COVID journal every single day. And if you need any help with figuring out what to write, I would say first, read the directions here. Second, go check my example COVID journal. So mine looks like yours, only I write an example for every single day based on what I'm asking you to do. So May 7th, third person, I wrote a whole paragraph in third person. May 12th, a letter to someone I miss in first person, I did that. I wrote to my Uncle Arturo. And May 13th, I wrote using figurative language. You all only had to do one. I chose 3, and that is there to help you. I highlighted the simile in green, my personification in blue, and my alliteration in pink. Okay? So you can always access this. This is there to help you figure out what to do. But today, what I'm asking you to do is make up any entries that you do not have. And where are you typing this? In your journal. Okay? In your journal is where you are going to write these paragraphs. So if you have them written somewhere else, please copy and paste them into your journal so they're all there in one space. I will also post this document in Google Classroom. This has everything that should be written so far. So right now we only have to do 3. May 7th, write about a highlight from your week using third person. That would be like Jordan Limon is recording a video right now. He feels strange talking into a camera when he's used to talking to students face to face. That's using third person. Next, May 12th, that's your next journal. You should have written a letter to someone that you miss using first person. That's where you're just talking in I. That's how we normally talk, okay? And May 13th, this is where you should have written a letter to your future self using figurative language, such as simile, personification, and alliteration. You only needed to pick one of those to get full credit. And May 14th, optional. I know a lot of you are all caught up and you probably want to get an even better grade on this as possible. So if you would like to, you can write about something you're interested in. It could be a hobby, could be a TV show and movie, could be some sports, using a different form of figurative language. So if you used alliteration on this day, maybe you want to use personification for your May 14th entry. Totally up to you. It's optional. You do not have to do it. You will not be marked down if you don't have a May 14th entry. However, you will be marked down if when I check this journal on Friday and Sunday, that's when I do some of my grading, if I don't see an entry for May 7th, an entry for May 12th, and an entry for May 13th, then you will be marked down. That's all I have to say for today. I hope you enjoy your easy catch-up day. I hope it is an easy catch-up day. I will be on Google Meet, and I will answer any questions you have there. Please watch this video, and please tell your friends to watch this video. This will make their lives so much easier. I love you all. I miss you all. Good luck.